If you clicked on this video, you already know what day it is. Today is wash day. Who am I kidding? I love wash day. I'm literally obsessed with all things hair, and I need to clean up a bit because I'm looking a little, dusty, but don't worry, I'm not worried. Let's go. Okay, first things first, I gotta take out these gross looking braids and just make sure I'm not cutting my hair off in the process. Look at me, wishful thinking. My hair is not that long yet. So what I want to do is start the detangling process right away. My goal for today's wash day is to use 0 tools other than my own 2 hands. So you'll see me try to remove as much shed hair as I possibly can throughout every single stage of this wash day, okay? I'm also giving myself a nice scalp massage because I want to lift up all the dirt so that my scalp can be even more clean. Now it's time to wash. I'm gonna grab my shampoo and conditioner and head to the shower. Now, I don't know if any other natural girl can relate to me on this, but I don't just have one single texture in my head. I have 4A, 4B, 4C, D, E, F, and G up in my head, okay? So I don't know about the specific sections of the hair type, but I can tell you I am type 4 hair, clearly. Let me know in the comments if you could relate to that, having multiple textures throughout your head and not just one. What I'm using for today's wash day is the line from Mielle Organics, the Pomegranate and Honey line. Clearly says on the bottle, moisturizing and detangling, which is also why I wanted to use these products for today because, again, my goal is to not use any tools, only use my hands to detangle. So because I'm not trying to use any brushes or combs today, I wanted to use something that was moisturizing and that was gonna detangle my hair. And how I'm doing that is just smoothing the hair through my fingers. It's the same technique when I'm shampooing, conditioning, or putting in some leave-in conditioner. Look at how shiny and amazing my hair looks. I can tell you that my hair is detangled and this is the shampoo process. That's usually not the case. If you could tell, the middle of my hair is more coarse than around the perimeter of my head. So now with the conditioner, I'm trying to rake that through my hair. You see already I'm able to detangle just from putting it on in 3 seconds. But look at that. Look at how detangled my hair is. And also guys, take your time when you're doing your hair. I know it looks like I'm rushing, but I also sped up this video, in real time. I'm taking my time with my hair. I'm not rushing through it. This is the time to really get to know and love your hair and, love up on yourself too while you at it. While I have the conditioner in, I add some water, just a little bit to my hair. If you can tell, it looks a little bit longer and heavier and the curls are a little bit more elongated. That's because I have some water up in there just to, give it some extra love, and I let it sit for a few minutes. So next, deep conditioner. This Babasu and Babasu and mint is some real stuff. I know you can tell how easy my hands are running through my hair. I love this line. Look at the bounce back in my hair. Look how healthy it looks from the back. Ooh, it's so pretty. And if you notice, again, I'm focusing this on my scalp and then dragging it down my hair. You'll always see me smoothing and clumping my hair as I go throughout every single process. Now I just let this deep conditioner sit in for a couple hours, and here we are. Look at this texture. It feels so soft, it's so detangled, it smells good, my scalp is tingling. All good things are happening right now. Another trick I have is to apply the leave-in conditioner while you're in the shower on soaking wet hair. Look, I'm too excited. I am too happy, but look at my hair. I don't know if you guys can tell, but I do have a few straight pieces in the front. You'll see it more when my hair is dry. Now again with the technique, not disrupting the curls, holding on to the ends and just massaging the roots so that my hair stays in order and doesn't get out of place. My hair went from being in a wet state like this to a dry state like this. The shrinkage is real, but look at the texture though. Beautiful. I cannot wait to get rid of those little straggly pieces in the front. Now I just wanted to show you guys how I wash my hair, but might as well just keep showing you guys how I style it. This is a really simple one. I'm just banding my hair, stretching my roots in these 4 little puffs, going to bed, waking up on it, looking tired as hell, halfway asleep recording this video. Now what I'm doing is just stretching my roots with the blow dryer on a low cool setting and banding it once again for just probably 15 minutes or so. And then boom, look at it. Look at it. Look at the volume. Oh, I'm so excited. I just need to cut off those little straggly pieces in the front and then I'm good. So what I'm gonna do is just put my hair up in a high puff and I'm just gonna slick the perimeter of my hair down with some gel and also the Mielle Organics Rosemary and Mint Edge Control. I'm using a soft bristle brush and then a hard bristle brush to really lock it in and keep the edges and perimeter of my hair in place. A trick that I have for you guys, if you are running low on gel and you don't have time to go out and buy more, just add some water to the gel that you do have and you'll be able to stretch that gel and make more and save yourself a trip to the store. What I'm using to put my hair up in a puff is a shoelace. Disclaimer, I'm also not the best at doing edges because I don't have any edges to do, so what am I practicing on? I hope you guys enjoyed these tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or comments, and as always, I'll see you guys on the next video.